any new skill, man or woman, when you're totally out of your comfort zone, you're going to get that. You're not alone. Some people think they're the only ones that feel this way. No, everyone does if they're being honest. Starting a new job, learning a new skill, learning how to ski. Oh, I remember my dad pulling us up on the biggest mountain of all. And I'm like, what about the bunny toe or whatever that rope thing? He's like, you're not going on there. Get your ass up there. Okay. I was scared. But guess what? I got down the hill, much of it on my rear end, but I did get down the hill. See, it's never as bad as we think it's going to be. And you're never going to learn how to do it without the physical practice of doing it. It just doesn't happen. You can't prepare and prepare and prepare. You got to do it.